5 viewers. Snowstorm to hit North Ayrshire as forecasters warn of Canadian blizzard set to batter Scotland. The area is to be hit with snow from Wednesday night, lasting until Thursday afternoon, the Met Office has warned. Weather boffins have warned that North Ayrshire is to be hit with a flurry of snow later this week. The Met Office's yellow warning also said that strong winds are also set to batter the area too, beginning on Wednesday. The warning is in place from Wednesday, January 11th at 6 p.m. until Thursday, January 12th at 12 noon. Some places could see up to 20 centimeters of snow with reduced visibility and 55 miles per hour winds in some coastal areas as cold air forming over Arctic Canada moves across the Atlantic. Temperatures are also set to +MM/-, to as low as 3°C in Irvine and Kilwinning on Thursday, after the snowstorm has passed. The warning reads: snow showers are expected to develop from Wednesday evening lasting into Thursday. These, combined with strong winds, could lead to locally very poor travel conditions. Be aware of the potential for disruption to transport due to lying and blowing snow, the Met Office's chief forecaster said. Cold air originating over Arctic Canada will affect the area from Wednesday evening through Thursday, bringing snow showers and strong winds. Wind gusts up to 55 miles per hour are expected in exposed coastal areas and on hills in association with snow showers, leading to temporary blizzard conditions. As well as reduced visibility, 2 to 5 centimeters of snow could accumulate anywhere within the warning area, with 10 to 20 centimeters possible above 300 meters. Lightning may accompany the heaviest showers, with potential disruption to power supplies as a consequence. Thanks for watching. Be happy. Goodbye.